We're trying to shoot 2 big squirrels so we can make some squirrel stew. So we're here at the feeder.
How's it going, Ethan?
Well, we've been here for a while. Plenty of birds, but no squirrels. Got the first squirrel coming in. Yeah, squirrel stew it is. Guys, but there is a squirrel at the feeder right now, and I don't know why I'm not looking out there. I might be ending up shooting some squirrels without you guys being able to see it. It's kind of hard in some of these angles, but I have some good shots once in a while. I might take them, but you'll still be able to see him get catched. You see him get shot, cleaned, and then we're gonna put him in the stew. So cook, catch, clean, and cook. Let's go. There's a squirrel. He's going in. Here he comes. He's down there. He's scooching in his way towards us, just how like the last one. Alright, 3 nice squirrels. We're gonna clean them. Like, actually, all of my shots, same place, right where I wanted to aim. Right, so squirrels like this, right here, right below, right behind the shoulder blade. It's where the lungs, the heart are. Instant death. Usually, but,
For like 2 minutes, then flip it, salt and pepper on both sides. Put your salt and pepper grinders over there. Okay. Salt when you need those. So then we'll get you here doing that. So then you bring out the squirrel meat. So you want to start the pan first? I'll get the pan going. You ready?
Yep. Got the squirrel meat here. Got a pan, all buttered up. Ready? Put it on the flame. I'm going to use these tongs here. Take this. Hear that sound? Sound of burning and bubbling meat. Not burning, but cooking. 2 minutes on one side, or 1 minute on one side, another on the other. And after that, we're gonna take some salt, some pepper, cover both sides. We're gonna take them, bring them to that station. Well, that squirrel meat looks nice and good. I'm sure it's nice and chewy too. Squirrels are great. So I got my browned squirrel meat, potatoes, onions, carrots. Now, one of the most important ingredients is obviously the squirrel meat. So I'm gonna take these, put one in, and just go boop. Put them in different places. Of horseradish, some chicken broth, 1 cup of water. And my secret ingredient, Dr. Pepper. And right before I put the lid on, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna carry it over to the other side of the counter, and we're gonna start it. The time is gonna be, or the heat is gonna be high. The time's gonna be 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. It's a long time. I wish you guys were here to smell this delicious smell. It smells good. I'm gonna put the lid on. It's time to go. Pretty much been an hour and a half. We're gonna stir it. See how it goes. Ooh, look at that meat. Looks nice and cooked. I want to eat it so bad. I love squirrel. Squirrel's good. So I'm gonna give it a little stir. Will be cooked in the morning. We'll probably shoot it in the morning, so here we go. So you guys obviously can see that right there. I'm gonna take this out. Next day, I'm getting ready for school. That's what squirrels do. Nuked it. It's really good. You can taste the squirrel, taste the potatoes, you can taste the carrots, of course onions. Works great. It's a great recipe. See you guys in the next video. Oh, we really are squirrels. Bum, bum, bum. That's gonna be awesome in this video. It's gonna be so awesome.